Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to see who liked your playlist on Spotify. So all we have to do is just press our account and you can see from there how many followers you have and who you're following and how many followers your playlist has. And as you can see, I have my playlist over here. But what if you want to actually make a playlist? So that's very simple. Just select like whatever song or like podcast you want, and then just press the three dots, and there's a button that says add to playlist. And if you press that, that'll add it to a playlist. And from your account page on the upper left, you can just press it and see many how many followers your playlist has, which is basically just how many likes it has. And you can see how many followers you have and how who you're following. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.